What people would say, what people would say, we are living in this generation, in this situation. What people would say, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you are watching to me, I think you can learn here something better, and you must try to know at this talk what people would say. When we are starting something in my life, the main question is coming with me and is stand. What people would say, what people would say, anything we are doing, what people would say. I think that, my dear friends, anywhere field, if you are going, if you are doing, and if you are going first time, in your mind come thoughts what people would say. Why it is coming in my mind, your mind, lot of people mind. So I think that, my dear friends, if you want to gain better in your life, you have to remove waste talk in your mind. You must try to start, and you must try to work at yourself. I think that, my dear friends, there is no one else who learning of his born. जन्म से कोई नहीं जानता. There is no one know it, and you must know at this talk. If you are doing something, you would do mistake. If you are learning something, you would do mistake. If you are going to do practice, if you are going to do speak, I think that first time everyone is doing mistake. You must never forget this talk. So I think that, my dear friends, what are you and what you want to do in your life? If you want to gain better response yourself, if you want to speak, if you want to make well confident, what must you want to do? आपको क्या करना चाहिए? Lot of questions are coming in my mind, your mind, and in this society, peoples who want to do, who want to gain, that person are coming this question. What people would say? I think that, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister, if you want to change your potential, if you want to change yourself, I think that you have to do work at yourself. You have to make strength your work. You have to make strength your potential. I think that we feel nervousness when we watch of people. Why? I think that there is no one know. I think he is not better to you. वो आपसे बेहतर नहीं होगा. But when we watch, when we are doing something, but we are feeling fearness. हम लोग डरे होते हैं. What he would say here. If he is watching, we wouldn't get to speak openly front him. Why? I think that, my dear friends, we are feeling, we are thinking what people would say, what he would think about myself. If we are doing something, so which concept and which tag in your mind is set up, you must try to remove. You must try to remove it, and you must try to work at yourself. I think that, my dear friends, language, if you are learning, if you are doing practice, if you are thinking, I think that you have to must try to speak. If you will speak, I think that in your mind so is set that word. If you are getting speak something, he is put out in your mouth, and you would think, I am as मैं ऐसा हूँ. We must try to work, and we must try to learn something better. हमें कुछ बेहतर सीखने की आवश्यकता है. We have to need to learn something better in my life. I think that, my dear friends, we must compare of myself of to me. हम लोगों को कंपेयर करने की आवश्यकता है खुद से ही. How I am and how people. So we wouldn't think about my negativity always. We must try to think about my positivity. If I am, so who we are getting speak, it is our strength, and our strength is our potential. We must try to know this talk. So I think that where I am stand, someone is thinking how he is getting speak. So, my dear friends, we must try to know about myself, about my weakness, what am I wrong, and how we can make confident in this field. So I think that we are working, taking up my fluency, taking my communication skill, and we are thinking deeply about my self, how we can develop this language and how we can make strong our communication skill. So my dear brother, my dear sister, and my dear friends, if you think that if you want to make well confident, you have to remove your hesitation, you must try to remove your nervousness watching of people. So I think that when we are going in crowd, किसी भीड़ भाड़ जगहों पर जाते हैं तो we are watching. There is no dare to speak, open our phone and speak something in my video. Why? So I think that my dear friend, this situation and this problem is creating with me, not with to you. I think that how we can make well confident. I think how much we can learn, how we would learn, how much we would make well confident. How I think that how much we have met strength in my potential. So I think that my dear friends, we have to need to learn lot of us. I think जब हमारे पास नॉलेज होगा तो देयर इज नो वन टू नीड टू अफेयर्ड ऑफ पीपल. लोगों से डरने की आवश्यकता है ही नहीं. आई थिंक दैट यू वुड नेवर टू फील हेजिटेशन दैट प्लेस. एंड व्हाट वी वांट टू सी इन माय वीडियो, आई want to suggest only if you want to learn this language, my dear friends, speaking, thinking, writing, doing practice, and you must try to think about yourself, what you are getting speak. You must try to think. I think that my dear friends, when we have met time, we are thinking about my positivity, and I think how much we could express of myself we try to do. You must try to do as if you think, if you want to do. I think that lot of problem is creating lot of people. They face that situation, they are put out of them, and you must try to note this talk. And this video for that purpose we are making, my dear friends. If you are still in 10th, 12th and in the institute, I think that my dear friends, you must try to know and you must try to serious taking at this talk. What will your future, आपका भविष्य क्या होगा. I think you would see lot of people after taking his degree, they are wondering here and there. You must know at this talk also. It is dependent to yourself how you want to be and how you want to make yourself. You must know at this talk and you must try to know about yourself, and in your mind which set up what people would say, you must try to remove. How much you would remove at this talk, you would success in your field, you would know at this talk, and you must try to know. I think that we could spare lot of fuss if we are doing something, and we must know that at this talk what I have lot of people. Everyone have mind to think, everyone is doing study, everyone is gain better response of people. So my dear friends, if you are watching to me, you can join with me officially Sandeep, and you can share your thoughts in the comment section. If you are watching first time, you can share this video and you can share your thoughts in the comment section. I think that it is dependent to yourself how much you are doing, how much you are giving time at your fluency, how much you are giving time at your communication skill. I think if you want to change yourself, you can make well and you can learn well. So we are providing to you only, we could say to you, if you have resources, you would never to waste your time and give direction to make well yourself, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are watching to me, you can join to me, and thank you. Jai Hind. Meet in the next video recently, taking for your all solution, your all problem.